Good morning, dear children. In previous class, you all had done different word problems of volume. Children, in today's class also, we will do few more word problems, okay, of the volume. So let us see what are the problems. First problem is, given that the dimensions of a cuboidal box are 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter, answer the following question. How many 1 centimeter cubes will fit in it? Children, this is a cuboidal box. It means it has length, breadth and height. Okay. So the formula you use to find out the volume of the box is L into B into H. When you place the value 10 into 8 into 10 and calculate it, 10 8s are 80, 80 10s are 800 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of a box. Now what you have to do, you have to fill the box with small cubes, okay, of 1 centimeter, right? Cube means all sides are equal. So what will be the volume of this small cube? Side into side into side, 1 into 1 into 1, that will become 1 cubic centimeter. Now children, to find the number of the cubes, what you will do? You will divide volume of a box with volume of a cube. Volume of a box is 800. Volume of a cube is 1 cubic centimeter. The number divided by 1, the answer comes number itself. So 800 cubes will fit in the cuboidal box. Now, second time you have to tell how many cubes of 2 centimeter will be fit in it. Children, now the box is same, but the size of cube is different this time, and side of a cube is 2 centimeter. So you can find out its volume. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 cubic centimeter. Now to number of cubes of 2 centimeter, what you will do? You will divide again 800. This is a volume of a cuboidal box, cubic centimeter, and this is a volume of cube, 8 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter cancel. 8 and 8 divided by same number means it will come 1 with 2 0. Means 100 cubes can be filled in the box. Here you can see. Volume of box you have find out. Volume of a cube also you have find out. When you have divided 800 divided by 8, that becomes 100 cubes of 2 centimeter side will be fit in that box, right? Now let us see next question. Children, here find the length of a cuboid whose volume is 120 centimeter cube, breadth is 6 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Volume is 120 cubic centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. You have to find out length. Children, you know the formula. Length is equal to volume divided by breadth into height, right? What you will do? You will place value. Volume कितना है? 120. Breadth is 6 and height is 5. 6 5 the 30, right? And ones place has 0, ones place has 0 cancel, and when you divided 12 by 3, it becomes 4. It means length of a cuboid is 4 centimeter. Children, all the volume word problems are based on formula. So please learn formula, right? Now let us see next question. Which of the following has greater volume? There are two boxes and you have to compare which box has greater size. It means जिसका वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा होगा that box will be greater in size. So first of all, what we will do? We will find out the volume. So volume of a first box, L into B into H. Place the value 4 into 5 into 10. 4 5s are 20. 20 10s are 200 cubic centimeter. And volume of a bag. Bag is L into B into H. 15 into 8 into 2. 15 8s are 120 and 120 2s are 240 cubic centimeter. And volume of a box is 200 cubic centimeter and volume of a bag is 240 cubic centimeter. So which one is greater? This one is greater. Sorry. Here you can see 200 and 240. 200 is a volume of a box and 240 is the volume of a bag. Which one is greater? Volume of a bag is greater. Okay? Because its volume is more. Right? So children, you all have seen all the problems are based on formula. So it is very necessary that you learn all the formulas, okay, and do practice of the questions. Thank you and have a good day.